Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a review on Airbnb. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to leave a review on Airbnb. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is that we're going to click on our trips tab or messages. And then you want to find the Airbnb which you just visited. So we'll just click on this one here. Now what you'll do is that you'll actually scroll up and then you're going to be able to leave a review. This is just one of the ways to actually leave a review. So click on leave a review and then here is where you would click on get started. So here we would just select the star rating, so we can select 5, click on next, and then here we can select another rating for how was check-in, click on next, and then here we select how was the cleanliness of the place, click on next, how accurately did Allison describe their place, select how many stars, and then click on next. So basically you're just filling out all these prompts and you can select different things that basically stand out. So with that, we would just select all 5 stars. And then for the public review, you can write what you want here, in which, let's say, Allison's place was absolute group and dogs would 10 out of 10 recommend again, most certainly. And there you have it. Next, after you write your review, just click on next. And then you can leave a private note as well. I'm not going to leave one. Then click on submit. But there you have it. That is how to leave a review on Airbnb. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Keep in mind that you only have 14 days after checking out to leave a review also. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.